Hey friends, if you wish to reopen a closed window on your computer, then please watch this video. Now, this is not true for every browser, but it is true for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and maybe other browsers, but I can never guarantee about it. There are so many browsers. But for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, these three browsers, here's the simple thing. Let's say that you open this tab and this tab, okay? Then close this tab. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and it will reopen the tab. Okay, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. It will reopen the previous window that was open. So, to reopen a closed tab or a window, all you need to do is press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. T for tab. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.